Hi students, this is Kathleen and I have some reminders for you and some review for our timed essay this week about causes and effects. So let's go over those now. First of all, remember that causes and effects have different vocabulary and we're never going to mix them in one essay. It will either be a cause topic or an effects topic. For your test next week, you will have one cause topic and one effect topic, and you can choose which one you like. So some of the examples of cause vocabulary are factor, reason, source, origin, or a question with why. If you see a question with why, you know it's a cause topic. Some vocabulary for effects are result, advantage, which is a positive effect, also benefit is a positive effect, disadvantage, which is a negative effect, outcome, consequence, or impact. So take a look at those and take a picture if you need to. Let's look at these 4 topics and you're going to decide whether they're cause or effect. The first topic is, why do students change their majors? Hopefully you've said that was a cause topic. It has the question why. So if you write this essay, you are writing about the reasons why students change their majors, okay? Not about the results, not about what happens after students change their major. What are the reasons, okay? Second example, what are the disadvantages of being famous? Hopefully you said this was an effect topic. This is an effect topic that focuses on negative effects. Usually we can say positive or negative effects, but if the topic is like this and says disadvantages, you will only write about the negative results of being famous. How about what are the impacts of social media on teenagers? This one is effect. Impacts is an effect vocabulary word, so you're going to talk about the results or effects in this essay. What are the reasons people lose their jobs? Hopefully you said this was cause. Cause is about a reason. This talks about why, or you will talk about the reasons why, or use the word because. People lose their jobs because of these reasons. So as a reminder, those should be different vocabulary. So after you choose your topic, make sure you use the appropriate vocabulary that fits the topic that you have chosen. Many people mentioned to me in our meetings last week that they have challenges with coming up with ideas or brainstorming ideas quickly for the timed writing. So I wanted to suggest this acronym for you, which is FFEEEES. It's like fees, but it has 2 F's, 4 E's, and an S. So this brainstorming idea is something where whatever your topic is, you try to think about how it connects to these ideas: family, friends, economy, education, employment, the environment, or society. So let's take a look at an example to see how this works with one of the example essays we had, the cause essay, about why do students change their majors. So if I was brainstorming with this, I would think, family. Do students change their major because of family? Yes. Sometimes they change their major because their family pressures them. Sometimes students change their major because their parents had pressured them. Like their parents said, go to school to be a doctor. But the student realizes, I really don't like being a doctor. I want to be a lawyer instead, or whatever. I want to be a nurse. So family could be a reason. Friends, maybe students feel pressure from their friends to change their major, or their friend has a different major. I don't know if that's a good point for my essay, though. So not every point fits with every topic. Does the economy fit with why do students change their major? Absolutely, sure. Maybe students change their major because they want to make more money, or because they realize that money isn't the most important, or because they kind of see the society economics changing around them. Okay, education. Do students change their majors for education? Sure. Maybe they change it because their classes were too hard in one major and they need to choose another major. Okay, so already I thought of 3 points: family, economy, and education. And I could use those as my 3 points for my essay. Or I can keep going. All right, what are the disadvantages of being famous? Let's think about that. family and friends. Maybe my family and friends sort of, or friends especially, kind of use me if I'm famous. They only want to be friends with me because I'm famous. So it's hard to make deeper relationships. Economy, education, I don't really think about that one. Maybe it's harder to go to school if you're famous. Maybe something about society, that society always judges me if I'm famous. Someone is always watching me. Oh, that makes me think maybe I feel unsafe if I'm famous. Okay, so this is just a way to brainstorm that can help you if you can't think of any ideas. Think of these basic ideas and try to apply them to the topic at hand. Okay, so the final reminders I want to give you are you have 90 minutes. Please use 90 minutes. If you finish early, you could go ahead and check your essay. Read it over again. See if you need to add anything. See if you need to fix any grammar. Also remember, the essay will be shorter than your at-home essay, and that is completely okay and acceptable. We don't count the words in this essay. We just see overall if you have 3 points and you did your best to have good support. Being clear is the most important. When you only have 90 minutes, you cannot express your strongest, most complicated or difficult ideas. The most important thing is just to be clear. You guys got this. I know you're going to do a great job. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you.